Golu's parents had died in a car accident at a young age, so both of them lived with their grandmother in their grandmother's house. Now the grandmother was the only support for Rinki and Golu. One day, grandmother came to the courtyard of her house and started talking to herself sitting alone. "Oh God, have mercy on poor me. I am not able to feed myself properly. Now, how will I feed these children? What mistake had been done that you separated these children from their parents at such a young age? Oh God." Just then, Golu and Rinki come there and say to Nani, "Hey, sitting alone, what are you talking to God about?" "Nothing, my dear. It's just like that. You must be hungry. Let me make something for you." "But not lentil and flatbread like usual, Nani. Today we want to eat something delectable. Chole bhature made by your hands. No one can make chole bhature like you." "Really, Nani? You make the best chole bhature. But I know that right now you do not have that much money nor the ingredients to make chole bhature at home. So don't worry. We will eat roti chutney only. I am not able to meet my household expenses with my pension money. I am thinking of starting some work." "Nani, I have got an idea. Why don't you do the work of making chole bhature? If you set up your chole bhature stall outside my school, you will earn a lot. Not only the children will be able to take it after the school gets over, their parents who come for school also pack food items from the carts placed outside the school and take them home." Just then, Meena, who lives in the neighborhood, overhears everything that Rinki said and tells grandmother, "I will also eat chole bhature made by Nani. So Nani, don't worry about money at all. Rather, I will make arrangements from the cart to arranging the goods. Just start making chole bhature from tomorrow." "But..." "No ifs or buts. When you start earning well, then return the money to me." From the very next day, Nani started setting up her chole bhature cart outside Rinki's school. As soon as the school was over, the children would reach the cart due to the aroma of chole bhature made by Nani. Nani's chole bhature were sold well on the very first day, be it children or adults. The name of Nani's chole bhature was on everyone's lips. The next day, Nani again sets up her cart outside the school when the school principal Manju Devi comes near the cart. "Well, you are Nani, whose chole bhature has become so famous in a single day that Nani's chole bhature is on everyone's lips. Today, I have to eat Nani's chole bhature only." Nani is very happy to hear the principal's words and starts packing a plate of chole bhature for principal ma'am. "Hey Nani, what will happen to me with one plate? You pack 2 plates." Nani happily packed chole bhature for Manju ji. Then in the same way, Nani started making chole bhature and sold it outside the school every day. And within a few days, Nani returned the money taken from Meena. Now at Nani's house, it had everything needed from food to drinks. Rinki and Golu had good clothes and everything needed for education. One evening, Nani made Golu and Rinki sit near her and caressed their head and spoke. "Both of you have changed my life. I could never have imagined that I can do such a big work at this age. But this has all become possible because of you both. There was a day when I had to sleep only drinking water. But see, today there is no shortage of anything in my house. My children, you are the reason behind Nani's chole bhature becoming so famous." Golu hugs Nani and speaks. "So Nani, let's eat chole bhature made by you, and that too with hot pickles." Grandmother smiles and says, "Why not, my children? I will make it right now." Then all 3 together eat chole bhature with pleasure. Within a few days, Nani opens a chole bhature shop outside the school and many workers are employed at the shop. Nani's shop becomes so famous with the name of Nani's chole bhature that now people from far and wide come to her shop. One day, a young boy named Ritesh comes to Nani's shop.
Chole bhature from Nani's shop is so delicious that whoever comes to this city definitely tastes Nani's chole bhature. Nani, please tell us what you put in your chole.
Lots of love, and I feel blessed to hear the praise that I get from you all, my son. Ritesh starts making a video of Nani with chole bhature made by Nani and uploads it on YouTube, due to which Nani became even more famous. Her videos also started going viral on Instagram, seeing which Golu and Rinki were shocked. Now all three, Nani, Golu and Rinki, started living their lives happily.